Hello guys, so nanonood po kami ng basketball. Yan. Yan guys. Yan guys, basketball. So, yung University of the East ay 99 points. Pero yung UNBL Don Bosco, 44 points. Sino kaya makaka 100? Comment down below. University of the East or kung University of the East, subscribe. Pero kapag UNBL Don Bosco, like. Kung nothing, just comment your favorite basketball player. Okay? Raya, come. Sino yan? Hi ka, hi. Yun yung kapatid ko, guys. So, nakashoot yung University of the East. Oh my gosh.
UNBL Don Bosco. Di pa po tapos ang basketball. Khalifa Cebu taking on Crossover Canada.
Hindi pa daw tapos ang guys. Hindi pa tapos ang basketball. So, yun lang guys. Comment down below So, best player of the game is Nurjaden Datumalim. 16 points, 2 rebs, 2 ass, 3 steals. So, yun lang guys. Bye! Also, like and subscribe. Bye guys.